Hello, Anjali. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Gyanchandra. How are you doing?
I'm doing absolutely fantastic. What about you?
Nice. Everything is hanky dory. Thank you so much for asking. I'm buzzing with energy. How can I not be good if you're in front of me?
Okay, thank you so much. So today
Yeah.
we are making this video for beginners. So
Yeah,
whoever are watching videos, because most of the time what happen, we speak in English, so our beginners, they are unable to understand what we are saying. They also want to know how can we become fluent English. So when we speak,
sure.
so it's okay, but today we are going to tell how to do practice.
Okay, yeah, I'm ready to do.
So
I'm
I'm
ready.
going to speak one story in Hindi. You are going to make it in English. How does
Yeah, sure.
how,
Why not?
how does that sound?
Yeah, it sounds amazing. I literally liked
Okay.
it. It
So
sounds wonderful.
turn on your video again. You have
Oh, just a sec.
yes. Okay. So एक गरीब लड़की थी. ऐसा करते हैं. हेलो.
There was a poor girl.
वो अकेली थी.
She was alone.
उसकी एक दोस्त थी.
She had a friend. She had one friend.
हाँ. वो अमीर थी
She was rich
और बहुत ही चालाक थी.
and she was also wiser.
Wise or not? Clever. Clever.
She's clever. Yeah,
He was clever.
she was clever.
Why are you lying?
I'm not lying. I'm sitting.
Okay. Now this is okay. एक दिन वो गरीब लड़की बहुत ही भूखी थी.
One day, that girl was so hungry.
That poor girl.
That poor girl was so hungry. Don't teach me, only ask me. Otherwise, what will people think? They will think she
Okay.
does not speak. Correct me,
Okay.
let.
So उसके पास खाने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं था.
She didn't have anything to eat.
उसने सोचा मुझे अपने दोस्त के घर जाना चाहिए.
She thought I should go to my friend's house.
तो वो अपने दोस्त के घर गई.
She went to her friend's house.
उसकी दोस्त टीवी देख रही थी.
Her friend was watching TV.
सो उसकी दोस्त ना उस गरीब लड़की से जलती थी.
That girl used to jealous of that poor girl.
हम्म. तो वो गरीब लड़की अपने दोस्त से कुछ पैसे उसने कुछ पैसे मांगे.
That poor girl, she asked for some money from her friend.
That poor girl asked her some money for some money. उसने कहा
That poor girl asked her for some money.
हम्म वो उसकी फ्रेंड ने कहा ठीक है मैं तुम्हें पैसे दूंगी, पहले मेरा घर साफ करो.
She said that okay, I would give you money. First of all, just clean my room.
उस गरीब लड़की ने उसका घर साफ करने लगी.
That girl started cleaning her room.
वो 1 घंटे तक उसका घर साफ करती रही.
She kept on cleaning her room for the 2 hours,
फॉर 1 आवर. ओके.
for 1 hour.
वो बहुत ही थक गई.
She got so much exhausted. She got worn out.
हम्म फिर वो आई अपने दोस्त के पास और बोली कि अब मैं बहुत थक गई हूँ, मैंने तुम्हारा सारा काम कर दिया है.
She said that I am extremely tired and I have done your all the household chores.
मुझे कुछ खाने को दो.
Give me something to eat.
उसकी दोस्त ने उसको गुस्से से बोला
That
मेरे
girl
पास
talked to him angrily. I don't have.
मनी, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है।
I don't have money.
अ, ये लो बिस्किट। उसने 2 बिस्किट दिए।
She gave 2 biscuits. She said, I don't have money. Here you go. This is the biscuit.
हम्म, उसने थैंक यू, उस गरीब लड़की ने उसको थैंक यू बोला
That poor girl, she thanked her.
और वो उसके घर से निकल गई।
After that, she just came back from her. She went from her house.
यस, उसने वो बिस्किट नहीं खाए।
She didn't have that biscuit.
उसने उन बिस उसने वो बिस्कुट एक गरीब भिखारी को दे दिए।
She gave that biscuit to a poor man,
हम्म, एक गरीब आदमी, करेक्ट।
one poor man.
फिर वो अपने घर गई।
After that, she went to her house.
वो बहुत ही उदास थी।
She was so sad.
वो रो रही थी।
She was crying.
अचानक से उसने अपनी मॉम की पिक्चर देखा जो कि दीवार पे लटकी हुई थी।
Out of nowhere, she saw the pic of her mom, which was hung on the wall.
Which was hanging from the wall.
Which was hanging on the wall. जो
उसने
टंगी हुई थी.
उस पिक्चर को उतारा।
She took that picture.
It took down that picture
She took down that picture
और वो अपनी मॉम को देखने लगी।
and she started looking at her mom.
अचानक से उसने एक गोल्डन का हार मिला उसको। अचानक से एक गोल्डन का हार मिला उस पिक्चर की, उसकी मॉम की पिक्चर के अंदर।
Suddenly, she got a gold necklace from that picture.
गोल्डन गोल्डन नेकलेस।
She got a golden necklace from that picture.
वो बहुत ही खुश हो गई
She became so happy.
और उसने सोचा कि अब मैं इसको बेचकर मैं बहुत सारे पैसे मिलेंगे, मुझे बहुत सारे पैसे मिल जाएंगे।
She thought, after selling it, I will get so much money.
तो वो सुनार की दुकान पर जाने लगी।
She started heading towards the what is called
या यू कैन से ज्वेलरी शॉप, यू कैन से गोल्ड स्मिथ सुनार, यू नो।
gold.
हम्म। फिर उसने रास्ते में सोचा। हम्म। हेलो।
But
फिर उसने रास्ते में सोचा
on the way, she thought,
मुझे अपने दोस्त के घर जाना चाहिए क्योंकि वो पढ़ी लिखी है।
I should go to my friend's house because she is educated.
तो वो अपने दोस्त के घर गई
Then, after she went to her friend's house,
और उसने उसको वही सोने का हार दिखाया।
she showed her the same necklace which she had found from her mom's picture.
उसकी दोस्त ने हंसने लगी, उसकी दोस्त हंसने लगी।
Her friend started laughing.
उसने कहा ये लोकल नेकलेस है।
She said, this is the fake jewelry.
फेक ज्वेलरी, इमिटेशन ज्वेलरी, यू नो।
This is the imitation jewelry.
उसने कहा ठीक, तुम जाओ, मैं कल लेकर इसको मार्केट जाऊंगी
She said, okay, tomorrow I will go to the market
बेचने के लिए,
to sell it.
और कल आना और मैं तुम्हें पैसे दूंगी।
Just come tomorrow and I will give you money.
और मैं जानती हूँ तुम भूखी हो बहुत।
I know you are so much hungry.
उसने कुछ खाना उसको दिया।
She offered her something to eat.
उसने खाया
She had.
और फिर वो अपने घर चली गई।
After that, she went to her house.
उसकी दोस्त बहुत ही चालाक थी।
Her friend was so clever.
उसने सोचा मन ही मन, अब मैं इसको बेचकर बहुत सारे पैसे कमाऊंगी।
She thought, now I will earn so much money after selling it.
वो तुरंत सोनार के पास गई
Immediately, she went to the jeweler
और उसने वो नेकलेस बेच दिया 10,000 में।
and she sold that necklace for 10,000.
हम्म। और फिर वो घर आई।
After that, she came back to home.
दूसरे दिन वो उस गरीब लड़की अपने दोस्त के घर गई।
After that, she went to friend's house.
वो गरीब लड़की अपने दोस्त के घर गई।
That poor girl, she went to her house. She went to her house.
हम्म। और उसने कहा कि मेरे पैसे दो।
Then after she said that, give me some money.
उसकी दोस्त ने गुस्से से बोला,
Her friend said angrily,
वो वो तुम्हारा हार मैंने फेंक दिया, वो नकली था।
I threw your necklace. That was imitation jewelry.
थ्रू ना थ्रू।
I threw your necklace because it was imitation.
और मुझे शॉपकीपर ने बहुत डांटा।
Shopkeeper scolded me a lot.
यहाँ से भाग जाओ तुम
Just run away from here. Just run away from here
और यहाँ कभी मत आना।
and never ever come here.
वो गरीब लड़की उदास हो गई।
She became sad.
वो अपने घर चली गई।
She went to her house.
रात में
At night,
उस अमीर लड़की को
that young that what did you say?
रात में उस वो वही चालाक लड़की ने एक सपना देखा।
At night, the same girl saw a dream. Same girl, that clever girl, had a dream.
हम्म। उसने देखा कि उसकी उस गरीब लड़की की मॉम
She saw that poor girl's mom.
उसको मार रही थी
She was beating her.
और बोल रही थी कि सारे पैसे मेरी डॉटर को दे दो वरना मैं तुम्हें मार दूंगी।
Give all the money to my daughter, otherwise I would kill you.
सुबह हुई।
In the morning,
वो क्लेवर लड़की बहुत ही डरी हुई थी।
that clever girl was extremely. Uh, she was afraid. She was scared.
उसने सारे पैसे लिए
She took all the money.
और वो उस गरीब लड़की के घर गई
She went to that poor girl's house
और उसको सारे पैसे दे दिए।
and she gave all the money to her.
और उसने सब कुछ बता दिया। उस रिच
That-
उस क्लेवर लड़की ने सारी कुछ बातें बताई।
And that clever girl, she started narrating all the stories.
फिर पैसे पाकर वो गरीब लड़की खुश हो गई।
After getting money, that poor girl, she became thrilled. She got
और
thrilled or became thrilled. Which one is right?
शी गॉट थ्रिल्ड।
She got she got thrilled.
Okay, so it was a story. So I hope you must have enjoyed. I think like people must learn like English like this. If anyone wants to like learn English from us, so they can also they can connect, you know. And here we just make rapid fire on each and every single topic. Suppose tenses, passive, causative, conditional, preposition, and idiom, phrases, advanced vocab, everything. You know, you will get everything. If anyone wants to practice with us, so please just join this channel and subscribe and comment. Definitely you will improve here. So thank you so much guys, it was lovely conversation. So what would you like to say, Anjali?
Yeah, I would like to see that those who want the rapid fire to be done. so they can connect us. We will take their rapid fire, and along with this, I would like to inform one thing, that I have started teaching English to the people for very less money. So those who are interested and want to learn English can connect with me. I will definitely teach them, and I assure them that within a 3 months I can make them fluent through this
Yeah,
rapid fire, through this rapid fire, through this conversation. And I have so many tips by using which they can become fluent like us. So those
correct,
who are
correct.
interested can connect you and I.